American, you know what I mean? We all just love muscle cars, and we all can relate on that level. And that's what MustangMedic's been. It's been a staple with the Ford Mustangs, and ultimately what it's probably going to end up being is called MustangMedic Ranch, and it's going to be kind of a compound in Nevada on the outskirts of Vegas, and it's going to be kind of a dude ranch, men and women, that will come out and work on pony cars, work on Mustangs, be on video, because oftentimes what would happen at my shop is people like executives, million-dollar executives, wanted to come out and hang out with me. So they would come out for a week, stay in the hotels in Palm Springs, and then they were like, what do you want me to do? Well, I'm like, well, you can sweep the floors over there. Like, okay. They'd sweep the floors. They just loved it. So they came out and did it. So it's just turned into a big, friendly, fun group. And I've been doing my whole thing in California, and I always judge South Jersey. I was just like, I was brought up in Turnersville, I went to Philadelphia, then I went to LA for 20 years. I'm an entertainment art director, so creative director of marketing. And I always thought Jersey just didn't have anything going on except cows, and I just never thought you guys did anything out here. I mean, I thought it was just like family units, going to church, and cows. That's what I thought New Jersey. So now I'm like, today I'm sitting there. I'm sorry, I know it's a judgment. It's wrong. I recognize that now.
No, we're living because it's true.
But what I recognized is, like, I saw a 72 Mach 1 red right there at the Tractor Supply in Woodstown. As I'm driving there, I'm passing a GT500, and I'm like, I pulled up to the guy, I'm like, do you know MustangMedic? He goes, yeah. I go, you were representing, dude. So some people, like, they see me and they're just like, holy cow, MustangMedic, because I've had followers for 8 years. So when somebody calls me and they're like, hey, Will, and I mentioned something in my past, they're like, yeah, I saw that. So it's weird because they know you, but you don't know them, but it's a bond because they've been watching you all this time. And it's just a giant, big community. Ultimately, with the MustangMedic Ranch, that's going to be like a barn, a bunch of houses around with a little church. I'm a Christian, and it's going to have people come out, and it's going to be basically on people coming out to stay for 4 weeks, 2 weeks, 3 days. Do you guys have any questions for me at all about MustangMedic or anything at all? Nothing. Bueller.
Why don't you get it on Motor Trend Network?
We were almost on History Channel, and we were about to pitch it. I had a producer that had all the advertising lined up for what was going to be inside the shop and everything, but I unfortunately had to close the shop 8 weeks before production started. But what I wanted to do is, because what I do, here, why don't you give me this. I'm shooting like this, and I'm always interviewing people. So I'm always asking everybody about their cars and talking about their cars. And even when I do something really dumb, like say, what size engine's inside a Boss 302, I put that on video like I'm doing tonight, and people pick on me, and they're like, oh, Will, you're so stupid. I'm like, yeah, I'm human. I don't hide anything, you know what I mean? I'm always shooting everybody all the time, and I always do it spontaneously. I never set up the shots because I want the person to be real, you know what I mean? What I usually say is like, you see those numbers? Like, yeah. I'm like, you're alive. They're like, oh, I'm alive. Because a lot of people, what they do is they put themselves in, like they're in front of a camera, but I talk to a camera lens like it's a person. So people connect to me because I'm talking to them, looking right in their eyes while they're looking at us. And it's turned into a community. I'm cutting off now, bye.